Hey everyone, Jerzy Poznar here with Up Close Travel, getting you up close to the world's most incredible destinations. Today we're going to get up close with the Four Seasons Yachts. But before we start, if you have any questions, I'm always around. Contact me anytime. And if you book Four Seasons with Up Close Travel, you'll get to enjoy Four Seasons preferred partner benefits. This week, we've reached a milestone event with the Four Seasons Yachts. Four Seasons Yachts is a new ultra luxury cruise line or yacht line that starts sailing in January 2026. Recently, Four Seasons' first yacht had its float out. This is the first time when the yacht touches water. This is a significant milestone in making Four Seasons Yachts a reality. Now it's gonna get moved to a wet dock where it'll undergo its final construction phase. Cruise will complete interiors by adding fixtures and fittings to all its suites, restaurants, and public spaces. Four Seasons Yachts will be the ultimate in luxury small ship cruising. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at some of the details of Four Seasons Yachts. So here's a photo of the yacht actually touching water. These are some of the executives celebrating this milestone, and of course a bottle of champagne to christen the ship. So here's what the yacht will look like. 95 suites on board. Suites will be 500 to 10,000 square feet. The funnel suite is on top. We'll take a closer look at that. 4 decks, 10,000 square feet. There's also 11 restaurants on board. There's a health and wellness spa. The pool is 66 feet long, and there's also 2 marinas on each side of the yacht. So let's take a look at what's included. So world-class accommodations, unparalleled Four Seasons service, breakfast is included, beverages also non-alcoholic, light snacks, in-suite minibar, marina for water sports, state-of-the-art gym, premium Wi-Fi, and onboard entertainment. Some of the things that are not included: lunch and dinner, in-suite room service as well. There are 11 restaurants on board, alcoholic beverages. There's also airfare to and from the yacht, transfers, visas. I can help you with any of those things. So if you're interested in adding air, transfers, or visas, I can help you with that. Shore excursions are extra. Laundry, corkage fees, the medical facilities on board if you wanted a private fitness session, and anything you do in the spa or the salon. Here is the water sports platform. So there's 2 of these on either side of the yacht. Here are some of the water sports toys that you'll be able to use. There's an image of the yacht at night. Here is the pool deck. Another photo of the water sports platform. You can also just come out here, lounge around with a drink, and just enjoy the sights. Here is that funnel suite at the top of the yacht. And then here are some other images of other rooms on the yacht. Lots of indoor, outdoor living here. You have floor to ceiling windows. You can open them up. Comfortable staterooms, beautiful bathrooms, all marble. Suites are fantastic. So here is the yacht. It starts sailing January 25th, 2026. It sets sail in the Caribbean. It heads over to the Mediterranean in March. This is the ultimate in small ship cruising. Gets into some of the most captivating yacht destinations. Think smaller, luxurious ports around the world. If you'd like to see a brochure, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to send it to you. Also leave a link for a brochure in the description below. If you have any questions, I'm always around. Feel free to contact me anytime. I'd love to help plan your next adventure, so keep me in mind for that. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.